Good morning, good afternoon, students. Welcome to Assam Tele Education. So let's start our today's session and let's see that what's written here, that it's functional English class today, right? So let's start and see what's the topic of the day today. Okay, so before disclosing the topic, let's see that what they are doing or what are the conversation that they are having right now, right? So here is two students in the classroom, and one, her name is Radha and the boy's name is Suresh. So he is saying that, "Hello Radha," and the girl replied, "Hello Suresh." Then he said that, "What are you doing?" Then the girl replied, "I am drawing a picture." Right? Then let's see what's the discussion. Suresh, Radha, then hello, like the conversation just we have noticed. Have you see or noticed one thing, that here is drawing, doing. So let's see that what does it indicates to. Okay, so you see that it's what? It's present and then continuous tense. So that I am, are, is, this is a kind of present tense, right students? Yes, very good. And the verb plus ing, that comes under present continuous tense. The action is going on, right? It's not stopped yet, it's already going on. So present continuous, like verb plus ing. So do plus ing, that is doing. Draw plus ing, that is drawing. So these are ing, right? Verb plus ing. So verb is am, I have just mentioned am, are, is, etc. So verb plus ing, it forms what? Present continuous. So I think you are clear now that what we are going to discuss today in our class, it's present continuous tense. So it's very interesting, and try to answer the questions and try to follow this session with me. So let's see that what's written. It is used to describe the action which is going on nowadays. So the action which is already going on. Okay, it's not stopped yet, it's already going on. So that's the reason it says present continuous. It's already continued in the action, it's already continuously going on. So it's called present continuous. And why present? Because you can see the verb is in the v1 form, in the present form. That's the reason we say or we use present continuous as a sentence, as a form. Okay, so I think you are, let's see with the coming more examples so that you can get the points crystal clear. So this is present continuous. So see what, this is the formula. So try to remember the formula in order to construct the sentence, or in order to identify the verb or the tense in the sentence. Okay, so or identify the type of the sentence, that whether it is present continuous, whether it is past continuous, past indefinite. So there are so many types of sentences, right? So this is saying that is, am, are plus verb plus ing, that was what? Work plus ing, it forms what? Working. Similarly, we can say run plus ing. The verb run is, we can say run is a verb, and if we add ing, that is running. Okay, so it what indicates? It indicates present continuous tense. Only we cannot say that only ing, if any sentences, in any sentence we see ing, that doesn't mean it's in present continuous. We have to check the verb whether it is in present tense or not, v1 form or not. Okay, it shouldn't be in any of the past form or in any of the future form. It should be in only present form. That when we can say it's in, the sentence is present continuous tense. Okay, clear? Let's see the other examples. So is, am, are plus verb plus ing, it forms present continuous tense, right? So that's the topic we're gonna start today and we're gonna learn today. So use these words in the present continuous form in meaningful sentences. So let's see that we're gonna use those formula and construct a new and meaningful sentence. Let's see. What is this, students? What is this? This is a cycle, right? So he is running a bicycle. Now see, all right. So he is riding a bicycle. So we can see, we can say verb plus ing, that is ride plus ing. It forms what? Riding. Okay. So a boy is running a bicycle. So this is already going on. The action is already going on. So we can see that this is a V1 form and it's in present tense. And then we can see that verb plus ing form. Then we can say instantly that this is a present continuous tense, right? So similarly, we can also see other examples. What is this, students? What is this? The boy is swimming, right? Very good. So he is swimming. Now see, swim. The verb is swim. So swim plus ing, we can say swimming. So the boy is swimming in the swimming pool. So is, again the same formula, present tense plus verb plus ing, and the whole sentence form is in the form of present continuous. This is as simple as that. Okay, I hope you have got this point crystal clear and the concept is also clear. Okay, so now see, what is this? This is the boy is running. So run plus, similarly the everything is same, only you have to remember the formula verb, that present tense. Okay, it have to be in the V1 form. Okay, so V1 form plus what? Ing, verb plus present. Okay, this should be in present form, and then verb plus what? Ing. It forms what? Present continuous. Present continuous. So this is the formula. You have to remember these points. You have to remember the formula so that you can easily identify any of the sentences, whether the swim or run, any of these comes in your exam. You can easily answer the questions quite often. So now see, what is this, students? This is a lady who is what? Who is writing a letter. So write plus ing, that is I am writing a letter to my friend. So it's already continuous tense, right? So everything is same, just you have to what? You have to see that whether it is in present tense or whether the verb is having ing with it. So you have to just check, and then you can easily say whether it's in present tense or past tense or in present continuous tense. Okay. Okay, so same examples are there are many examples like that. Now here is a question, students, so try to answer these questions carefully. That what is the correct form of the verb in the present continuous tense in the substance in the sentence? So the timer, let's start the timer. So what would be the answer, students? She dash in the bracket read a book right now. So what would be the answer, students? She what? A is reading, B is reads, like whether this word prevails in the dictionary, I don't think that we say reads. Everything we say what? Read, right? Reads doesn't even exist in the dictionary itself. Anyway, C is reading and D read. So the answer will be what? The answer will be number what? Number C is reading. We know we have to include V1 form that is in the present tense. So is plus is and then read. This is the V. What is this? Read is ing, right? So we can say reading. And this is what? Verb plus ing. Verb plus, here I have written ing. Okay, so this is the simple formula. We have to just see the difference or identify the sentence carefully, and then we can easily say the substance. I mean easily identify the sentence. Okay, now here what is written? Subject I. Be verb is I am. And then example, I am writing. Then he, she, it. With these things, let's see what includes is. Okay, so we can use am with I, we all know, and then he, she, it. With these three we have to use is. Okay, then he, she, it is writing. Then we have to use we, you, they. These are plural form, right? These are plural form, so we have to use are. Then we, you, they are writing, because these are plural and these are first person singular. Okay, now see what is written. Now see, I am writing, because with first person singular we have to use the singular form. So we all know with I we can use am. Next, he, she, it, we have to use is writing, because it's again singular. And then we, you, and they, we can use are, because these are plural form. Okay, clear? Let's move to the next topic. Okay, here what do you see? Study the table. We have to study this particular table. Reading, laughing, playing, drawing, dancing, running, jumping, writing, walking. So I am reading, he is laughing, she is playing, Mina is dancing, you are running, we are jumping, they are writing, Ram and Mina are walking. So now see what is this? Describe the picture using the verb in present continuous form. So describe the picture. First see the picture, what these birds are doing. What they are doing, they are the birds. What? They are chirping, right? We all know bird produces sound like chirping, right? So they are chirping. Next see what is the other persons are doing. So now see the man, what is he doing? No, the cat. What is the cat is doing? So the cat is climbing the tree, right? The cat is climbing the tree. The tree. The cat is climbing the tree. So what is this? This is present tense, and climbing verb plus ing. It's present continuous tense. Verb plus ing is continuous. So present plus continuous, the sentence constructed like present continuous tense. Clear? So the action is already going on in present only, not in past, not in future. Okay, it's already going on right now and right here. Okay, so that's the kind of action we can call present continuous tense. Now see, what is the boy doing? Shanku. That is the his name is Shanku. He is watering the plants. Everything is same. Only see, notice the middle part. That is whether we have used the correct V1 form, or whether we have included ing in the verb. So you have to check this, or we have to see that what's the how the sentence is forming in the picture. Now see what the grandpa is doing. The grandfather is snoring. So he is snoring, right? Again, present tense and then ing, right? V1 plus ing, verb plus ing. So same. This falls. So this sentence also falls under present continuous tense. Clear? Okay. Now see what is this lady doing? The grandmother, what is she doing, students? Grandmother is drinking a cup of tea, right? She is drinking a cup of tea. So same, present plus ing, present plus verb plus ing, what forms a present continuous tense. Now see what the other persons are doing. What is she doing? What is this lady doing? Let's see. Mrs. Rinku. So what Mrs. Rinku is listening to music. Again V1 verb ing. Same present continuous tense. Now see what is this man doing? Mr. Chandan. What is he doing? He is reading the newspaper, right? So we can see he is reading the newspaper. Again, he is reading the newspaper. Everything is same, just the form is, everything is different. The sentence are different, but the formula is same, right? Every other activities is different from one other, but the formula remains constant. That is present plus verb plus ing. Clear? Okay, let's see what the Chintu is doing. He is looking at his father, right? Same is looking. I think it's clear now. Now we have seen so many examples, right? So we can see. So now see the next one. What is this Ram doing? So he is whipping the glass. Same, he is whipping the glass. Here is and whipping is the forming the present continuous tense. Now what these girls are doing? The girls, so the girls are playing with a doll, right? So the girls are playing. Why? Because this is plural form. Here it's not written girl. Here it's written girls. That is it's in plural form. So what we have just previously seen, that with plural we have to change the verb also in plural form. So is singular, and are is what? Plural form. So the girls are playing. Clear? So girls are playing. Same verb plus ing. But here is also present, but in the plural form. Okay, in the plural form. So we have to check the subject, whether it's in singular or in plural, before applying any verb. Okay, we have to check the, see, here is also two quantities, two, that is ducks, not duck. So again, what it will be? Are, right? Not is. Let's see the, see, the ducks are wading in the ponds. So we have used are because why? We have used are because here it's written s. Here it's written s means here it's plural in form. That's the reason we have said we have written are. That is in plural form only, plural present form. Now fill in the blanks using the options given below. So you have to fill the sentence. First see and observe the scenario. Then you have to say what will be the correct option. So I dash television, in bracket watch, I am watching, is watching, are watching. What will be the answer, students? What will be the answer? It will be what? I am watching, because I have mentioned that with I, singular person, we have to use singular form only, singular verb only. That is I, be verb will be I am, right? And watch is a verb, so we have to use verb plus ing. So we have to add ing with verb. Watch plus ing, watching. Okay, so I am watching television, and it's in present continuous tense. Now see Raju dash his homework, in bracket do, are doing, is doing, am doing. What will be the answer, students? With Raju, what will be the be verb? What will be the be verb? I have mentioned that with he, she, it, we have to use what? What? Is, because he is singular only. There are no plural form of Raju, right? He is the only one, and his name is Raju. He is only one. So Raju is, not are, not am, because we can use am with I, singular person, but not with he, she, Raju, Meena, any name. Okay, any name we have to use is. So Raju is doing his homework. Clear? Now see, what is the next? The shopkeeper dash a parcel, pack. Then pack is the verb. Now you have to apply that. What will be the option? I am packing. Then are packing, is packing. What would be the option? The shopkeeper, what? Let's see. The shopkeeper is packing, because he is the only one. There are no there are no plural form of any, there are no shopkeepers, right? He is the only one shopkeeper, so he is packing. That is what, he is the single person, so we have to use the single form only, that is, and we cannot use are. Okay, if here it's written shopkeepers, then we can use are. Okay, clear? So here it's single person, so we are using is. Clear? Then verb plus ing, that is pack, plus ing, that is packing. Now see what is this, students? They dash late, in bracket get, is getting, are getting, am getting. What will be the answer? They. It's not singular. There are 4 person here. So what would be the answer then? They are getting late, because this is not singular anymore, this is in the plural form, so they are getting late. Get is the verb, we have to use ing, so get plus ing, it's getting, and it's in plural form, so they are getting late. Okay, clear? So now see this sentence, the dog fast run, is running, am running, are running. So the dog is, because this is the only one dog, right? There are no, the sentence, it's not like that the dogs dash fast. It's not dogs, it's dog, only one. So we can use is. Okay, single person, single animal, so we are using is. So the dog is running fast. Run is the verb here, so we can use running. Now see, we dash cold feel, are feeling, is feeling, am feeling. This is not singular. We, they, it falls under plural form. So they what? Am not be the option, because it's not here. It's not written I. It's here written we. So we cannot use we with am. Am with we. So we have to use what? Is also not the answer, because it's not singular, it's plural, we, right? There are few person, they are indicating two, so we are, right? We are feeling cold. Okay, clear? Now see, the driver dashed the car, in bracket push, push is the verb here, am pushing, is pushing, are pushing. What would be the answer, students? The driver, indicating to only one person, it's not the drivers, it's only one driver. So what would be the answer? The driver is pushing, because he is only one and the singular person, so we have to use the singular present verb, be verb, so it's pushing, is, and then the push is the verb, and then we have to use ing with push, so pushing. So here, students, a question time. Try to answer this question carefully. Let me read out the question for you. Choose the correct sentence in the present continuous tense. A. They swim every morning. B. I am going to the store. C. She will finish the project tomorrow. And D. We are singing a song. What would be the answer, students? A, B, C or D? Time is running fast. Try to answer this question carefully. What would be the answer? A, B, C or D? Time is up. Time's up. And the answer is what? D. Because you see the plural form we can use are with we, because are is also plural in form and we is also plural, so we are verb plus ing and then song. Sing is a verb and we are using ing with sing, that is singing a song. So this is the one which is abiding by the formula what we have seen in the present continuous tense. So this is the correct answer, students. Let's see the next topic. I hope you are getting my points clearly, so that I could also know that you have understood today's session. So now see, what is this? The boy is what? I am riding a bicycle. saying I'm riding a bicycle. Now what is this? I am not riding a bicycle. Is he riding a bicycle right now? No, he is just standing, right? He isn't riding any bicycle now. So you can see not is here included. Okay, so you can see the formula is same only, right? Verb form, V1 form, that is in present tense, and then verb plus ing. It's already same like present continuous tense, but here negative not is here with the sentence. So what do we call this type of sentences? Let's see. What is this? I am whipping my computer. Now, is he whipping the computer right now? No, he is. I am not whipping the computer. He's just standing. He isn't whipping any of the computer. Now, what is this? You are polishing your shoes. Now, you are not polishing your shoes because you have just now polished your shoes. So, this is again the not negative word is included here in the sentence. So, they are watching TV. They are not watching the TV. Everything in every sentence you have seen that the not word is included, right? In every sentences you have seen the negative word is included. He is riding a horse. Then again he is not riding a horse. He is just walking with the horse, right? He isn't riding any horse. Now, what is this? She is not helping a blind man to cross. She isn't helping a blind man to cross the road. So, isn't or is not. It's the same thing only. Now, what's the situation here? Is what? Let's see what is he doing? It is raining, right? He was raining in the walking in the rain. So it was raining, it is not raining, or we can say it isn't raining. In the short form, we can say it isn't raining. Now what is this? The dog is wagging his tail. He is wagging his tail. Now see, he is not wagging his tail, right? The dog is not wagging his tail. Now, or we can also say that dog isn't wagging its tail. The same only, just in the short form, right? Now see the negative form. In every sentences we have seen not, right? So present continuous can also be used to express something that is not happening right now. It is not necessary to always say it's happening right now. Then only we can say it's in present continuous tense. If it's not happening also, we can also say that the sentence it's in present continuous tense, right? So now see, not is highlighted because see the example, we are not going there. It's not compulsory that not shouldn't be there. It can include in the sentence. In the negative word can include in present continuous sentence, but that doesn't make any difference, right? So we can also say that I am not writing for the result. So that doesn't make anything any this doesn't change any form. This remains constant. Only the only the word doesn't make any changes in the form. It do changes in the meaning that they are not going there, right? But it doesn't make any difference to the form. It's still in the form of present continuous tense only. Okay. Now change the following positive sentences into negative. They are coming. What would be the negative form? They are not coming, right? This is so easy. We have to just include not in the sentence. I am going to temple. What would be the negative form, students? I am not going to temple. Very good. See, I am not going to temple. He is waiting for the bus. He is not waiting for the bus. Just we have to use not. Change the following negative sentence into positive. Negative. This is given negative. So in exam you can see negative to positive, positive to negative. Everything is same. You have to just minutely change the sentence as per the questions given. It is not raining. What would be the positive form? It is raining. We have to just omit the not. It is raining. Now it is as simple as that. We are not practicing. We are practicing. So just not would be we are not studying. We are studying. Now here's a question time, students. Try to answer this carefully. So the question is, what is the correct form of the verb in the present continuous tense for I? So what would be the present continuous tense, students, for I? I have already discussed in the previous topic. What would be that? Okay, I have started the timer. Think about our previous topics and just recall, try to recall. A is I am playing, B is playing, C are playing, and D am playing. A am play. What would be the correct answer, students? I what? With I, what do you add? What we can add actually? Time is up, students. So the answer is what? I am playing, right? With I, we can use am, and then place the verb form, and then ing is added. So as simple, it's already forming a formula in present continuous tense. So it's so simple. So now let's move to our next topic. So this is a question form. So now see what would be the question form. What is this, students? I am listening to music, and then what is he doing? I am not listening to music, right? So am I not listening to music? So this is the question form. You have to make these sentences, the above sentence, into question form. So in question form, whenever we convert a sentence, immediately we have to use the what, a question mark, right? Because we are making a question sentences, and then the be verb will be come in the front, right? Come in front, and then it will be in crisscross way. So am would come first. Am I, then same. Am I not listening to music, question mark. Simple. Be verb will be in first, and then we have to add question mark. Let's try with another example. We are eating ice cream. What would be the answer? Are we? Are we eating the ice cream? Question mark. Get it, students? Crystal clear? Okay. Now see, what is this? We are not eating ice cream. Now how we gonna change this negative sentence? Are we not eating ice cream? Like, are we not eating the ice cream? Question mark. Simple. Very good. Now see with the next one. We can also say, aren't we eating ice cream? We are we not and aren't we is the same thing only. Just it's the simplest form, right? So that we can, it looks good or it pronounce good, so that's the reason we use aren't or are not. Are not is the quite slightly bigger form, but aren't is quite stylish and simpler form. That's the reason quite often we use aren't. Now see, what is this? You are climbing a tree. Are you climbing a tree? The verb will come first, and then everything will remain constant, and the question mark symbol will appear in the last. Clear? drinking tea, right? Is she not drinking tea? Same. Is she not drinking the tea? Isn't she drinking tea? Also say isn't. Is she not? We can also say isn't she drinking tea. So this is the shortest form of is she not. Got it? Okay. Now see. It is ringing, right? That is the phone is ringing. So is it ringing? Same format. We have to just visualize and then say. Okay, now see what is this? They are having breakfast, right? Are they having breakfast? So same. Are will come first and then they having breakfast question mark. This is the format. Now see. Okay, now students, a time for question. Try to answer this question carefully. What is the correct form of the present continuous tense for the sentence? She swim in the pool right now. A is swimming, B swim, C swam, and D swimming. What would be the option, students? I have started the timer. She swim in the pool right now. So timer is already started. Try to answer the question carefully. What would be the option, students? A, B, C or D? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Time's up and the option is A, because with she we can use is and the verb we can use ing. So she is swimming in the pool right now. Got it? Okay. So this falls under the formula. That's the reason we can say like this. That is the option A is the correct option. So the question form we have just seen. What is this? She is doing. What is she doing? So this is the question what. Then what is the, she is reading a storybook, right? This is the question what is she doing, and that was the answer that she is reading a what? Storybook. Very good. Now is reading is verb form, the present V1 form, and reading, read verb plus ing, right? So is reading. Anyway, so what are you preparing? How you will reply in present continuous? I am preparing biryani. With I we can say am. Am will be the be verb, and preparing is already here, verb plus ing, and then you can say biryani, right? So the thing you are doing, you can say that. Now see, what is this girl doing? Where are you meeting your father? I am meeting my father at 9. So with I, she has said am. Meeting my father at 9. So this is same only. The format is same only. She is living in Mumbai. Then what? Where is she living? Right? Where is the subject? Where is she living? This is the question, and the reply would be she is living in Mumbai, right? So where is the subject, and then in reply we can say in Mumbai. So now here's a psychometric question, students. Try to answer this. So the situation, let me read out the situation so that you can get the point that how you will react in this situation. So you are sitting at a railway station, you see people throwing wrappers here and there on the floor. Instead of the dustbin, you start picking up the wrappers along with some other wastes and put them in the dustbin. You have done this because you are a cleaning worker, B doing service to the society, C helping the station master, and D afraid of your parents. What would be the answer, students? Try to read the situation and visualize yourself in that situation, that in whether what will be your decision in that situation. What will you choose in this situation? A cleaning worker, doing service to the society, helping the station master, or D, afraid of your parents? So you have chosen that what? Option number B. Very good. That is, you are doing service to the society. Very good. That we shouldn't keep order. You shouldn't what? Throw your waste here and there. You should always clean, or you should maintain the decorum of any of the place, right? You shouldn't throw anything. You should use dustbin, and you should keep your area clean. Anywhere, maybe at home, in railway station, in anywhere, you should be clean and responsible enough to throw the dust, to throw the what? Waste products in the dustbin. Accordingly, you should throw it in the proper waste dustbin, right? You shouldn't throw anywhere, and you should keep your city clean, right? Very good. And now let's wind the session, and let's do the what? The last review of today's class. That how do you feel today's class? A is A, happy. You are quite happy with my class. Then B, quite happy. C is satisfactory, and C is quite confused. So the timer is going running. You have to decide any of the four as per your opinion. So thank you, students, for joining today's class, and I'll see you in my next class.